song is exactly what the doctor ordered for this time of year. The juggernaut K-pop boy band released their new collection of singles, Love Me Right, on Wednesday, with multiple repetitive hooks. Love Me Right is a song ready to kick off summer parties. From the first pulsating, funky beat, Love Me Right is a song to move to, an upbeat song that is perfect for dancing to during the warm months of the year. Love Me Right is brighter and jazzier than many of EXO's previous songs, including EXO's last single, the R&B heavy dance track Call Me Baby. Instead, the new song utilizes electronic beats and instrumental similar sounds from the group's label Mits Shiny and TVXQ. Strings, horns, and clapping can be heard on Love Me Right, adding depth to the mix. EXO is very much a boy band in Love Me Right, with each member getting his own chance to shine through distinct solos before coming together as a whole. The individual elements of the song come together for the chorus, with the three words of the title acting as an extremely danceable hook. The active 9 members of the group minus members Chris and Han, locked in a legal battle for contract termination with SM Entertainment since last year, and Tao, who is not included in the latest act. Vanities show off their diverse vocal styles not just individually, but also through the variety of harmonies that show the power of the group's vocal blend, one possible secret to their success. Like all of EXO's material, Love Me Right was released in both Korean and Chinese. With the song's buoyant dance sound, it looking to be likely to make it one of K-pop song of the summer.